have this doubt about this story about that Pilegesh Begiba. So I didn't. I mean, recently I read about this story just like superficially, not too much in depth. Of course, without commentaries and of course I should not like judge at face value what happened there, but I'm still baffled. The whole story and what this Levite did to this woman. So I was wondering, like, what happened there? I mean, what did this person did this thing to this woman? I mean, did he have like any sort? I mean, I don't know what he did to her. I mean, after she suffered so much, he dismembered her and he sent this parts to the other tribes. So I was wondering what happened here, like.
So of course it's a huge topic, but I'm going to just summarize the story. So the story goes that it was a man, and he would like to have relations with non-Jewish women, right? So they did not want to convert, but whatever he would use one as Pilegesh, meaning concubine. And I think that the story goes, he beat her up or something. He was not treating her correctly, basically, right? And she ran away to her parents, right? I think, like far away, if I remember the story correctly. And he decided to go to apologize and take her back and stuff like that. Okay, so he went to her parents, like it was far away, to apologize, take her back and stuff like that, and all is good. And they were coming back. They stop over in one old man's house, right? Like going back, and then Levites, Goya, whatever the place was, right? They surrounded the house. Exactly, the story is like a lot, and say, bring us this guest, and we're going to know him, right? And they say no. He said, I have my daughter. All this craziness, right? And this girl. So basically, that girl, like she was only Pilegesh, she was a concubine. So okay, they in order to save their own life, they give this girl, this Pilegesh, and they rape her, like the whole gang, Levites. Right, maybe he was Levi, but they were from Binyamin, right? So, and they raped her to the sense like till the morning, and she died. And she died, and when he was trying to search for justice, like nobody cared. So he dismembered and sent the parts to all of the tribe and said that's what that's the Jews. That's what we do with people. We rape the girl till she dies, like this. That's what happened on October 7th, right? All like similar attitude. Maybe not wishes, not the wishes, but like same crazy idea, right? And then all of these tribes came and say, give us men who did this, and we're going to judge them because they actually killed her, this and that. Not kill her, whatever, for the rape, we have to judge them, and they say absolutely not. We're not going to give out our men. And then the old tribe started war with the tribe of Benjamin, almost exterminate them. Right? That's the story. Right? So I mean, there is a lot of you can learn from the story. Why would he? Like all of this lustful guy, like he need this Pilegesh, this in the course of the story, before the story, I think he had another few women. Like, understand? That's the thing. Okay. So is it any like specific question you want to ask about the story? I mean, I gave you the story in a nutshell. That's what happened. And almost exterminated all the Binyamin, and a lot of Jews died because Hashem said, "Oh, now you like you're so zealous. You wanna like fight for the own honor of this Pilegesh, but you did not want to fight for my honor, like or for idol worshippers, right? But for here you want to fight. Okay, let's see what happened. Because many people died in this war. Okay, what else?
Rabbi.
You're welcome.
No, I was just thinking amongst the many things that happened in this story. So I don't know. For example, was it okay that he gave this girl away to this people that wanted to rape him in order to save his life? He could just he gave her as if she was an object, and I don't know. It seemed to me like it was, I don't know.
I think they asked. I don't know exactly. I apologize. I don't 100% remember. Maybe they asked for her. Maybe they asked for her, and this old man offered himself or his daughter, but say no, we're going to take your daughter and her. Right. So the halacha is if this like army or something, like bandits or whatever, the people who have power, and they come and they demand a specific person from you, so you're allowed to give them, because they say, look, if you're not going to give us this specific person, because according to our laws, whatever he's guilty, we're going to kill him. So we're going to kill all of you and that person. So in this case, you're allowed to give this person. But if they come and say, give us any girl and we're going to do whatever we want with her, we're not allowed to give. Right? Or any person, forget about the girl. Any give us 10 people, we're going to kill them or do whatever they want. So we're not allowed to give them. So, but if they use specific names, then we're allowed.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.